Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the stats and how to keep track of your mood on the Daylio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the stats button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find your days in a row section. If you scroll down, you can check out your mood chart, but as you can see, the app needs more data to draw this chart, so you need to complete a few days to check it out, but you are going to see a chart indicating your mood. And you can keep track of it, and as you scroll down you can check out your achievement badges. Here you can see what's all of them about. Here you can see your mood count, so tap on the mood to see more. Here you can see the frequency, longest period related activities to your feelings and the occurrence during a week. And as you scroll down you can also see your goals, activity count and average daily mood. Here you can see mood stability, often together charts that are only available to premium users of the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.